Welcome to the admin setup for email and text templates. In this section, we will show you how to customize and manage your automated emails and texts that will go out to your clients. These messages will go to your clients who have an email address listed for the primary taxpayer. So in the client's file under contact information, there's an email spot here. So if there's an email address here, or these messages will go out as a text if you have a phone number in the cell phone field and the cell phone provider. So if you have just an email, they'll just get the email. If you have just the cell phone number provider, they will get just a text. Or if you have information in both of these fields, they will receive an email and a text. So in order to manage these messages, you will go to the Admin tab, and you will select Email Templates. And this is going to display the email/text templates page. And you can see here that we have 4 different message templates already set up. You are able to edit these templates, but you just can't add any new ones. And you also have the ability to create these messages in Spanish for your clients that you have flagged as Spanish-speaking clients. So if you want to flag a client's file as Spanish-speaking, you would select this box right here and then save it. Then those messages would go out in Spanish to that client. So you can see here that we have the subjects, but you also have the subjects in Spanish. Same thing with the body of the message, and then the body in message again in Spanish. So in order to edit any of these templates, you would click on the Edit pencil, and you can see that the type here is grayed out, and that's just because you cannot change this type, but you are able to edit the subject and the body, and also, of course, the subject and the body in Spanish. So you have the ability to customize these for your office. So the first template here is for account completed. So what happens is this message will go out to a client when they are moved into the status that says complete. So this message would go out the next day. Now the reminder days here is not important because this message will automatically be generated the following day after a client's file is moved into complete. And the from date, again, doesn't apply for this one because it's just generated on the client's account being moved to complete. And business type, you can choose which business type that you would like to have this message go to. So you could send it to just your tax prep clients, or if you wanted to select multiple business types, you could just hold down Control and you could select multiple business types for this message to go to. And then you would select the inactive box. If you didn't want to use one of these messages, you could just select the inactive box and save it. So I'll go ahead and you'll save this one. So you can see that we've changed the business types to include tax preparation and bookkeeping. And as far as the account completed, I'll show you what's going to actually generate this message. If you are in a client's file, so this one already is in account complete. So once we moved it to complete and saved it, then that means that the next day, so tomorrow, this client would get that message that we have created under that template, thanking them for their business this year. The next template that we have here is for an appointment. This is an appointment reminder. And again, you can customize the appointment reminder subject and the message in the body here. The reminder days are important for this message because you can choose when you would like this message to go out. So if you're using the appointment calendar, you can go ahead and you can edit it. You can see we have this one set up as -1. So that means that this reminder will go out 1 day before the client's appointment. If you wanted the appointment reminder to go out 2 days before the client's appointment, you could select -2 if that's what you wanted. Again, the from date is not important because it's just going to be based on the appointments that are on your appointment calendar. And then business type, again, you can select what business type clients you wanted to receive this message. And then you could go ahead and save it. So you can see that this appointment reminder message will go out 2 days ahead of time to our clients, and it will go to our tax prep clients. The next template is birthday for your clients. So it's a birthday wish if you wanted to send them that. The reminder days, you'll want to have that at 0. So that means that on the day of the birthday, the primary taxpayer's birthday, they will go ahead and they will get that message. The spouse will also get a birthday message as long as you have date of birth and email addresses in the client information section. Now the from date is more important on this template because you probably only want to send out birthday wishes to your current clients. So if you just want to send them out to your current clients, let's say we want to send our message out to every client who has come through our door since January 1st of this year. So we've selected January 1st. And again, you would want to have a business type in here so we know what clients we want to send that message to. So we are going to send the happy birthday message to all of our clients who have come in, all of our tax prep clients who have come into our door since January 1st of this year. Then the last template that we have is a birthday wish for your employees. And again, you would want to leave the reminder days at 0, so then the message will actually be sent on the employee's birthday. And the from date, you probably want to keep the from date current also because then you're just going to be sending happy birthday messages to your current employees. And where this from date comes from, I will show you in your users page here. We'll go to admin, select users. We'll select any one of the users. And that's going to be based on the beginning and end date here. So as long as that employee is active and has a current beginning and end date within the date range that you've set up on the admin page, then they will go ahead and receive that birthday reminder. So again, they will either receive an email or a text or both if you have both of those fields filled out for those clients. So that is all for the admin setup for email and text templates. Thank you.